Hey guys, it's Kim and I'm back for another Instant Pot video, and today we're making pulled barbecue chicken in the Instant Pot. So I have two pretty large chicken breasts at the bottom of the Instant Pot right now with a little bit of oil. I'm just mostly doing this to heat up the Instant Pot so it comes to pressure quicker, but I'm going to toss in about a cup of broth, and I just have it in this container because it's left over from a recipe I used yesterday. And then I'm only going to put about a quarter cup of barbecue sauce in here because mostly what this is doing is just to cook the chicken. I'm going to take out the chicken and shred it and then add in some more barbecue sauce at the end. But I will put just a little bit on the top of each one, probably more than a quarter cup, but you get the idea. And then that is it. I'm gonna pop the lid on. We'll do manual for 10 minutes. And that's it. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes for a natural release. It's already been 2 minutes, but once it hits 10, I'll open the valve. But for now, we'll just wait. So it took a little under the 10 minutes for the pressure to release naturally. I'm just going to open it up and make sure you stand back because there is going to be a lot of steam even though the pressure has been released. But everything looks good. It should be done and ready to shred. So the chicken shredded really easily just using 2 forks. Now I'm just taking a ladle and scooping out some of the excess liquid. If you left all of this liquid in, it would be way too watery to make sandwiches. But once you get the desired amount out, then put the rest of the chicken back in and add your barbecue sauce. I added about probably a half a cup, maybe a quarter cup of barbecue sauce and put it on sauté and made sure everything was nice and warm and combined. You can just keep adding the barbecue sauce until it seems to be the right consistency for what you like your barbecue sandwiches as. So this turned out really good, and it was just a simple, quick meal that my whole family enjoyed. I hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and give this a big thumbs up down below. It helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. Bye.